Mining Weekly Online is in the studio with Joy Global Vice President Jason Savage. Can you talk to us about some of the latest developments?
We have in South Africa, and it's the first region this has happened in the world, combined our two businesses, P&H and Joy, as one business to really answer a call from our customers, also to leverage the capability we've developed for the underground market and provide that capability for our surface customers.
What is Joy Global best known for, and should I say Joy Global Africa?
We set the standard in service for the world. Many of the world's life cycle management programs, service infrastructures are really modeled around the South African market, and a lot of it's got to do with the receptiveness and the progressiveness of the South African mining customer.
So we've got a very progressive South African mining customer. Is that matched by our legislative environment?
The legislative environment makes it a challenge for a business like ours, being a multinational business trying to operate here. Nothing is insurmountable, and we need to engage in industry on resolving these issues.
Is there an incentive for Joy Global Africa to make greater investments in South Africa at the moment, given the current legislative environment?
The Joy has made significant investment in the past in the South African business. Much of that is focused on providing great service to the South African industry. And it's one of the reasons why, particularly in underground coal, why our mines are some of the most productive in the world. And we export our shuttle car product line to all non-US or 50 host countries. We believe we're the only multinational company, mining capital equipment supplier, that manufactures and exports from South Africa. And we manufacture the 50 hertz shuttle car product line from South Africa. They're the machines that are used to shuttle the coal from the cutting phase to the conveyor belt. In South Africa, we have 3 major facilities outside our sales offices. In Wadeville and Chulissa Park near Alberton. We employ about 1,400 people. About 900 of those are directly involved with the manufacturing process, either export or the equipment we manufacture for the underground market in South Africa. We have about 400 people in our service organization, and we have plans in place at looking at reorganizing our business to provide better service, become leaner, faster, and improve our quality. If you look at the engineering capabilities, South Africa still produces great engineering people, and we actually feed the rest of the world with some of our people, and it's a challenge because we have to keep developing and bringing new people on board. Joy Global Africa is a level 6 business. We're going through an assessment now. We believe we will be a level 5 broad-based black economic empowered company. In fact, we qualify as a value-adding company.
What is the state of demand?
In South Africa, really there are some projects, but it's not as significant or as major as we're seeing in other regions. We are not operating at the levels that we were in 2008. So the volumes are slightly lower. Customers are holding back on capital. And we are seeing some activity on fleet replacement from the energy sector. But exports are constrained, as you know, through the railway capacity. It's not a lot of new investment going into exports. But we do have some really exciting new technology coming in. So the real investment in South Africa will be about addressing the issues of safety, improving productivity and lowering costs for the industry.
Could you give us a word on those exciting new bits of equipment that are likely to emerge?
Well, one of the most exciting things, and this is already progressing, is that we have orders for 2 flexible conveyor trains. We call them the FCT. There's 2 of these on order coming into South Africa, into 2 of the most productive mines in South Africa. So that's potentially could change the game, which is pretty exciting.
So you're very much into safety and productivity, and are you continuing along that line with a mechanized theme, or are you going to go into automated theme?
Automation is a demand every mining industry has. What the FCT does for the industry is it removes mobile equipment from the section. And many of the accidents that occur in underground mines are related to the mobile equipment, the shuttle cars, the haulers, etc. The FCT moves very slowly, does not move sideways, and conveys continuously. So you take people out of danger. So that manufacturing investment will be driven by the demands of the South African market, which could grow as we progress and enter other minerals outside coal, hard rock, platinum, etc. Could create growth in manufacturing.
Because you're synonymous with coal, but is the nature of your offering changing to be able to go into hard rock environments and other environments?
Hard rock is a very attractive and growing market. It's a very traditionally based from a technology point of view. There's a lot of opportunity to improve and make hard rock mining safer. And over the next 10 to 20 years, hard rock underground mining will become more prolific around the world. So there's tremendous opportunity for a technology leader to grow its offering into hard rock.
And you have this Joy Smart Centre.
The Smart Services Centre is one of the most exciting developments in the mining world. It's a centre that's hardwired into machines operating underground and on surface now as the P&H surface products, where we can monitor, we see the data live, we can predict failures before they happen. We have world-class training tools. We have 3D virtual reality training capability. We have a warehouse there that supplies, right in the center of the mining industry, can supply parts 24 hours a day, within a couple of hours. It's a full toolbox of service, and it has a home now in Smart Services. We have satellite links. We also have our own RF network or microwave network that's been set up on the mines in the Mpumalanga region. So we bring data in via satellite and direct through microwave. Southern Africa potentially is a huge growth region.
Jason, thanks very much indeed. That was Joy Global Africa's Vice President, Jason Savage.